On Instagram, there's a nice little feature that indicates to your followers when you are currently online or when you've been online. And one of your followers can go into the message section on their Instagram feed and they can see you and see exactly if you're currently online or if you have been online or how long it's been long ago since you've been online. And I think that's a really nice feature, especially if you want to keep in touch and let people know what you're up to. They can easily go on Instagram and see what you've been doing. But you might not want people to know when you've been online because that's a nice little privacy hack that stops people from knowing when you've been online or if you're currently active online, and you can turn that off. And I think that's quite a nice little thing to do if you want to keep your account a little bit more private. In this video, I'm going to show you where that setting is and how to turn it off. And before I do, you could do me a favor and hit the subscribe button. I put a lot of effort into creating these Instagram tips and tricks videos, and my reward would be your subscription. So go on, hit subscribe. One thing to consider, if you're going to turn this setting off, what that means is you will not be able to see when other people are online or when they've been online. So that's worth remembering. If you turn it off so that others can't see you, then you won't be able to see them, but that's fine. You might not want to see when others are online. So how to do this? So if you click on your profile picture at the bottom right hand side and go to the top right hand side and click on the hamburger sign, scroll down until you can see the section that says who can interact with you, who can see your page, and in there you can go into your messages and story replies. And halfway down there, it says show status activity. Click on there, and then you've got a toggle option. You can toggle on or off. So toggle that off and then come out, and there you are. You've now turned that setting off. And from now on, people won't know when you've been online or if you're currently online. That's it. Simple as that. Thank you very much indeed for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheerio.